Hello everyone, I'm Himangi. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you makeover of an old chair. But before we start, I would like to tell you that I have lost major footage of this project, so I'll be showing you whatever I have left with. For upholstery, we need a wood stapler, glue. I have used B700. You can use hot glue gun also, a lace or a piping of the cloth which you are using for upholstery. So this is the chair on which I will be doing upholstery. This is the back part of the chair and this is the front part of the chair. Now for the upholstery work, we will be needing two cushions, one for the back and one for the seat. Put the fabric on the chair along with the cushion and measure the length of the fabric along with cushion to be used for the chair. And measure the length of the fabric to be used for the chair. For my chair, it was 2 meters per chair. After stapling the fabric onto the chair, cover the staples with the lace and glue. After sticking, leave them untouched overnight for better results so that the lace sticks properly on the fabric. Instead of lace, you can use piping of the same fabric. This is the end result of chair. For upholstery, you need to tighten the fabric before stapling to remove any kind of loose fabric. Unfortunately, I lost that important footage. It took me 3 days and lot of hard work and patience, so wanted to share the final outcome with you guys. I hope you like it. Link of all products are in the description box. I will try to bring another upholstery video for better understanding. We'll come back with another video soon. Till then, bye bye and thank you for watching.